Workiz is built around fast, simple job management for field service teams, while Tradify is built around structured quoting, job tracking, and invoicing for trade businesses that want more organized workflows without going into heavy enterprise software. By the end of this, you'll know how Workiz and Tradify compare in real daily use, where each one fits best, and which platform makes more sense depending on how your team runs jobs. Workiz focuses on speed and ease of use. It connects scheduling, dispatching, job tracking, and invoicing in a way that keeps the workflow simple. The goal is to help small service teams manage jobs quickly without dealing with complex setup or long onboarding. Tradify focuses more on structured trade workflows. It organizes jobs around quoting, job stages, time tracking, and invoicing in a way that keeps everything consistent across the business. It's designed for trade companies that want more control over job structure without moving into enterprise-level systems. The biggest difference is how each platform handles job flow. Workiz treats jobs as straightforward service tasks that move quickly from booking to completion. It keeps things light, so teams can stay focused on day-to-day operations without extra layers of process. Tradify treats jobs as structured work orders. Each job can include detailed quotes, tracked time, materials, and staged progress. That makes it better for trades where pricing accuracy and job structure matter more than speed alone. Scheduling is also different. Workiz uses a simple dispatch system that makes it easy to assign technicians and adjust jobs quickly throughout the day. Tradify focuses more on planned scheduling tied to quotes and job stages, which works better when work is organized in advance. On quoting and invoicing, Tradify is stronger in structured estimating. It's built to help trade businesses create detailed quotes and convert them into tracked jobs. Workiz handles quoting and invoicing in a simpler way, focusing more on speed than detailed breakdowns. For small service businesses like locksmiths, cleaners, or small repair teams, Workiz often feels easier because it reduces setup time and keeps everything fast. For trade businesses like electricians, plumbers, or contractors who rely on structured quoting and job costing, Tradify usually fits better. The core difference is structure versus simplicity. Workiz prioritizes speed and ease of use. Tradify prioritizes organized job management and quoting workflows. To choose between them, look at how your jobs are created. If most of your work comes in as quick service calls, Workiz matches that flow. If most of your work starts with detailed quotes and planned jobs, Tradify is built for that process. A simple next step is to take your last 5 jobs and check how they started. If they begin as calls that need immediate dispatch, that points toward Workiz. If they begin as quotes that turn into scheduled work, that points toward Tradify. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of field service software.